Come test drive the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.